KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make oven-baked chicken thighs with olive, tomato and lemon. A really easy oven-baked dish this one is, and it is so tasty. Alright, really simple. Here I've got some lemons. I'm just going to cut those in half and then in half again, so that makes it quarters as far as my mathematics is concerned. And I'm just going to set those aside just for a little bit. Alright, so there we go, we've got our lemons done, and try and get a really nice lemon at that. Now here I've got an onion, and I'm being very cautious in trying to cut this. I usually do my prep off camera, but today I thought you can see how my MS has progressed over the last couple of years. Right, so we're going to skin that. We're going to quarter that onion as well, just like that. Alright, and I'm going to set those aside as well. Alright, I've got one whole knob of garlic. Now this little gizmo is a little device from Tupperware that helps you open cans, and believe it or not, I really need it. So one knob of garlic, put that over the top, give that a smash down, and this little gizmo also works really good in peeling garlic cloves. Just put that on there, give that a little bit of a rub, and the skin basically loosens up, and we can peel our garlic skin, and we'll end up with nice raw cloves of garlic. Alright, really nice and easy. So just keep going along and do that with the rest of them. I'm not going to show you all of that. Now here I've got is some chicken thigh cutlets. It's basically the chicken thigh with the bone in, and look, they're pretty affordable, and the bone actually gives the chicken a better flavour, and they come with the skin on them, which is even better. Again, nothing better than a nice well cooked chicken skin. So I'm going to put those in skin side up, just like that, with a little bit of olive oil. Alright, to add as much or little as you like. I'm giving this a nice liberal type dose. Some pink Himalayan rock salt. You can use the salt of your choice. I don't care what you use there. I just like the way that grinds up and the flavour. Freshly ground black pepper. So just give that a good grindage. Season your chicken to your taste. I'm going to throw in the onion and just put them in wherever. It doesn't really matter. So just put them in randomly, get them all spaced apart, and they're going to give our chicken a little bit of a extra kick along. Alright, I'm going to add in some of our garlic cloves, and again just put those in randomly all over. And yes, I did use the whole knob of garlic. Alright, so just put those in randomly, and the oils will come out of those and give the chicken a beautiful flavour. Here I've got some nice little baby truss tomatoes. Put those in, vine and all. They can go straight on top, and I'm going to add in just a little bit of oregano. They can go straight in over the top as well. Just a nice little bit, probably around about a teaspoon's worth. And here I've got some pitted Kalamata olives in brine, and again just put those willy-nilly all over. Now as I said, this is an oven bake, so my oven is already on at 180 degrees Celsius. And look, don't be afraid to pinch an olive here and there and have a bit of a taste test as you're doing this. It tastes amazing. Right, a little squeeze of some of our lemon. That can go straight in, and just squeeze that over all the vegetables and chicken. Alright, and this really gives this a vibrant flavour. And I actually saw this recipe on a TV show, and I just went, wow, that looks so simple. And now I'm showing you how good and easy it is to do. Beautiful Mediterranean flavours, and basically no mess. The only thing you're going to make a mess of is one chopping board and one oven roasting pan, just like that. Alright, that's going off into the oven around about 35 to 40 minutes, or until it comes out and looks something like that. Now, how easy was that to do? Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. It should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell so you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. But if you want to learn how to make a really nice, quick, Mediterranean inspired dish just like this one, we need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my oven baked chicken thighs with olive, tomato and lemon, and I will catch you next time. Bye.